esteemed guest, Padma Shri Uday Vishwanath Deshpande sir, Deo ma'am, Hariba sir, Zore sir, many Zores are there, grandparents, teachers and our dear students. I am honored to stand in front of you as a testimony of Jnana Mandir High School. I am being connected with Jnana Mandir from the year 2007. Right from the year 2007 until now, I am with Jnana Mandir. It's really a great and a proud moment at this moment. It's really a prestigious and a privilege. Sir, I carry this name as an ex-student of yours, along with Akshay Ambrale, Nisha Tulve. With them, even I am there. But now as I am your staff, it's really, I cannot express in words. Today we have gathered here. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the achievement of last 10 years. This 10 years is not an easy. 10, 1, 0, 10, it looks very easy. दिखने में 1, 0 है. It's very, very difficult right from day one until this day, whatever obstacles we have come through, the challenges, there are many we can say, but apart from that, the success that we have our 1300 parents and right in front of us. It's really what we can say that 10 years of struggle has vanished. It has not vanished, but we can say that it has vanished. It's really a privilege. We have 92 parents whose 2 children are studying in our school. How many? 92 parents with 2 children, 9 parents with 3 children, 2 parents with 4 children. We have 103 families and there are 218 children are studying in Jnana Mandir school. Earlier when we started in 2016 June, we were just 3 staff, 2 teachers, myself and Shailesh sir and our Maushi. And only 66 students were there. 3 classrooms, 2 teachers, and it was, I cannot express at this moment. Coming from that to this, first annual day we had conducted in Sri Om Sai Ganesh Society's ground itself, 2 years, and then 8 years. 8 years we had conducted in Shahid Smarak Hall, and successfully completing the 10th year today, we are in the Fine Arts Society auditorium. It's not an easy task or challenge or chance we can say parents. It's a very difficult one. It was all because of you. If I keep on saying, it will go on. I need the PPT please. Thank you. 2 teachers were there and now we are a team of 25 plus staff. Our school focuses on 3 core values which are self-dependent, patriotism and decision making. In patriotism we can see students are performing paying their tribute to national leaders. Shikshanachi Vari, where students proclaim about the educational pilgrimage, why education is important. Raksha Bandhan was being celebrated. Everyone celebrates it with their brothers. But the students, the girls of Jnana Mandir High School, they celebrated with the police, so that they are supporters. We can say they are protectors. So it is our duty to tie Rakhis to them. Self-dependent, wherein we have core value activities based on these 3 we have core value activities every Saturdays. And parents, we find many parents, they skip the activity session. I don't know why, but I guarantee that henceforth they will be sending students. Really, our students become self-dependent right from the age of 3 to wear clothes, to pack their bags, to pack their tiffin boxes and all. Decision making. First, in the month of June, we have election system wherein students appoint their own chief minister, sports minister, cultural minister, tree plantation, my school, my responsibility. It is their decision that they are cleaning their own classrooms and keeping them neat and tidy. We have Funny Bunny Activity Hub where 4 activities take place twice a day, twice a week. for 1 hour. Twice a week for 1 hour. We have drawing, dance, phonics, and self-defense. Out of that dance, many students took participation in that. Inter-school competitions, where students went to inter-school competitions and they won various awards. We have phonics, where students are taught how to pronounce words. And we had Funny Bunny talent show recently in the month of January 26th. We have drawing activity also, where we inculcate the culture of art, self-defense, to promote self-security first to each and every student. First time in Ghatkopar, our talent show was held. We have international language speaking students. We practice it every day on everyday basis. From German, Spanish, and French. Critical thinking, where topics are given and students talk about it, about the current affairs. They come up with their point of view, and they also come up with solution. We assure that in future our students will be great leaders. We had sports, science exhibition. Every year annual picnic is being arranged, where n number of students participate, parents involvement. Parents send their students. That is the reason why every year it is a successful annual picnic for us. Annual day. This was last year's annual pics. We have DMH Bank, where students save their money, how much ever pocket money they are getting from their parents, and they keep it in DMH Bank. At the end of the year, they can collect it from the bank. Students are themselves the managers, the cashiers, the depositors. Everything is being managed by students only. We have scratch course in our school from Guruji Foundation. They come every Saturday and they teach about the codings to our 6th standard students. We have this activity. Guru Purnima activity is again a part of a core value activity. We were being awarded by Mimamsa. So I hope everyone might have seen the slides. It was all successful. We were all successful. We were all great. We are grateful to each and every parent sitting over here. Without your support, we couldn't have reached over here. Without your support, we couldn't have reached over here. A big hats off to you. A big hats off to you. Come on, everybody, take your right hand and tap your shoulders. Right hand and tap your shoulders. I cannot see parents tapping. Right hand. Tap your shoulders. Thank you, thank you, thank you.